What's up, YouTube? It's Tyson, formerly from Sin City Snakes. But no more snakes for me. This is definitely not the normal kind of video that I do. But I kind of want to do this for my own little experiment, or, to see how it goes along. I have 5 different things I'm going to be growing. One is just tomato plants. Is no big deal for that one, but the other 4 got me kind of interested. I have they call it a bleeding tree on the seeds. It's like I don't know the scientific name, but like a dragon's blood tree. I have a regular red maple tree, an autumn blaze maple, which I would love to put one of these in my front yard, a nice big one. I just kind of wanted to grow some as well. And then I saw this online. I didn't know what the hell it was, so I just got a pack of seeds. Purple Blue Ghost Japanese Maple. Whatever. We'll see if they grow, see what it grows into. If not, I was out like $1, I think. So it's not that big of a deal. I'll show you the autumn red, the autumn blaze red maple. The seeds are pretty small for a maple tree. I don't know if they will be good or not, but that's what we're gonna try and find out. The last packet I did, I'll show you here in a second. I actually got 2 of these. These were just these are the tomato seeds. They were just in the pack of other seeds that I got. They just gave them to me for free. Here's the Purple Blue Ghost Japanese Maple. Like I said, no idea what these are gonna look like, but whatever. I like Japanese maples, and so that's that. And then these are just the regular red maples, which again they are tiny seeds. I'm used to maple seeds in the country that are huge. So I don't know if they just came off of a younger tree or what, but it's just not what I'm quite used to. Like I said, those are the Japanese maples, and they're almost bigger than what the red maple is, the autumn blaze maple. And Japanese maples aren't very big trees. So I took half of the seeds, and like I said, I got actually 2 packs of this, the autumn blaze. And the other pack, I just put some paper towel in a sandwich bag, wet it, and gonna put this in the refrigerator. And I want to see which one germinates the fastest, basically, and what is better. I've been watching videos and all kinds of things on how people do it. Some people just put it right in the dirt and water it and, make a little greenhouse thing. That's why I got the lid for it, and say, it's good to go. Especially with maple seeds, they grow pretty much anywhere. But I just wanted to see how this way would go, especially since I don't know where the seeds came from. Not fresh seeds, so I put the entire pack of the autumn blaze in this. Like I said, I just did it so the seeds aren't damp at all. Just basically enough water to get the paper towel wet. No laying water. There's the red maple, and then the bleeding tree seeds. Okay, with these, wasn't too sure because these are more of a deserty type of tree, I guess you can say it. I'm not up on my names with the zones and everything like that, so basically these wouldn't really live outside here in Northwest Ohio. So, but I kind of read up on these, and basically what they said to do is put seeds in warm water and let them soak for a while. Offhand, I cannot remember how long they said, but I screenshotted what the guy said to do. And some are floating, some are sinking, I don't know. He said to just keep it warm. I mean, it was days, it might have been a week actually. And I don't even know if those are the correct seeds for a bleeding dragon tree or whatever, dragon's blood tree. So I did that, put those seeds in that water. Gonna do that for a while, and then basically I'm just gonna do the same thing with these seeds as I'm doing with the other seeds and try to get some to germinate. If I just get a couple to germinate out of, you know, the pack of 30 or whatever, I'll be happy. I'm not, like I said, all the seeds together, I mean, it was probably $4. So, I mean, I'm not out a whole lot of anything if nothing grows. So with these seeds, what I'm gonna do with these is basically just go through and poke a little hole in every one of them. And I'll show you the dirt that I'm using is just the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. Got it from Walmart. So let me do this and I'll be right back. And I'm back. And I got a hole in each one of them. So now what I'm going to do with these, let's do the, oh shoot, what pack was this? Okay, the Autumn Blaze, which is that one right there. Okay, so I got them laying out here. Some of them still have the seeds connected, both of them. It's usually how they come off the tree until they get so dry, and then they just break apart on the tree, and then they helicopter down. So I'm just going to take one seed each for these holes. Pretty simple. And let me do all that, and I'll come back. Alright, we're back. I have a seed in each one of them, except for the Autumn Blaze. I actually had enough to put 2 seeds in each of the little pod things. And I still have some left over. So now, except also I do not have any of the seeds in the bleeding tree slots yet, because I'm waiting for the other seeds to come out of the water, and then I will put them in there. And so from here I'm just going to take a little bit of soil and kind of fill in the hole. And I'll do that and I'll be back. Alright, back, and just have a thin layer of soil on top of the seeds now. And just gonna water these. I did not press down the soil too much at all, especially even when I was filling these before the seeds were in. I don't like to tampen down the dirt too much, because I feel like in nature, you know, that doesn't happen either. It gives the water nice drainage, and it's just gonna, basically the soil is gonna tampen itself down when you water it, and so it'll give the seeds and roots, it's not gonna, like, I don't know, suffocate them or whatever. It's just how I've always done it, and it seems to do pretty good. So alright, I'm gonna water these and get the lid on, and I'll come back. Alright, I have everything watered. Time to put on the lid and sit in the sun. Now here in Northwest Ohio, the beginning of, that lid's low. Fix that. We don't get a whole lot of sun still right now, so this is where I keep my indoor plants in the wintertime. I have some other places in the house, but my hibiscus, bring that in the wintertime here, because it basically gets, this is where I get the most sun. I had to move a couple plants around to be able to put the seeds there. So we're just gonna put the seeds right up here, and hopefully they'll start germinating. So like I said, this is my first video. Hopefully I can keep on going, maybe every couple of weeks, let you guys know how it's going. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator, and I'll keep an eye on those and let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching.